Question number 1 is model the equation for maximize profit and each constraint involved. We make X as the porcelain crucible and Y is for platinum crucible. So, the combined production level should not exceed 1,200 units per month. So, number 1 is the combined production. So, X plus Y should not exceed means that less and equal to 1,200. Then, number 2, the demand for platinum crucible is no more than half the demand for porcelain crucible. So, Y is less and equal half multiple X. Since no more than half the demand for porcelain crucible. Number 3, the production level of porcelain crucible is less than or equal to 600 units plus 3 times the production level of platinum crucible. So X less than or equal to 600 units plus 3 times. 600 units plus 3 times of platinum crucible, Y. So this is the equation, the model equation for maximum profit and each constraint involved.
I want to show how to calculate and collect data based on equation that was an answer for first question. The equation is X plus Y is equal and less than 1,200. So what we need to do is make sure that 1 is one side. It is gonna be Y equal 1,200 minus X. And I change X. I assume that X is 100 until 1,200. And this is my table and data for how I plot the graph. The second question is Y is equal and less than half of X. So what we need to do is make sure that Y is one side. And this is what I got for the second question. The third question is X is equal and less than 600 plus 3Y. Again, we make sure that Y is one side. So if I leave Y in one side, it's going to be Y equal 1 per 3X minus 200. This is what I got from the calculation, and I'm going to take 600 until 1,200 because it's a positive number.
For question C, we need to find the optimal production level for porcelain crucible and platinum crucible. So we will be taking the three equations from question A, which is X plus Y bigger and equivalent to 1,200 and Y bigger and equivalent to 1 over 2X, as well as X bigger and equivalent to 600 plus 3Y. And we will be leveling it. We will be leveling it as 1, 2, and 3. So from equation 1, we want to make all these equations equal to y. So we will take equation 1 and turn it into y, equal to y, which is will be y equal to 1,200 minus x. For equation 2, we will not need to convert it because it's already in y form. So for equation 3, we also be converting it, and we will be getting y equal to 1 over 3x minus 600. So we will be labeling this equation as 4 and this equation as 5. After we get this equation, we will combine equation 4 and equation 2. So after combining, it will be like this. And then we will solve for x. So 1 over 2x plus x to 1,200. And then we will be taking 3 over 2x for 1,200. And x will be 1,200 times 2 divided with 3, x is equal to 800. Next, we will combine equation 4 and equation 5. Equation 4 is this, and equation 5 is this. So we will combine it. So it will be 1,200 x and minus x equal to 1 over 3x minus 200. So we will be solving it to get x. 1 over 3x plus x equal to 1,200 plus 200. When x is 4 over 3x. 1,400. X is equal to 1,400 times 3 divided 4. And x is equal to 1,050.
Play.
Next, to find the y value, we will need to substitute x equal to 800 and x equal to 1050 into equation 8. Equation 1. This is equation 1. So y is equal to 1200 minus 800. Y is equal to 200. And then to find another y value, we need to substitute again. Y equal to 1,200 minus x. Y is equal to 1,200 minus with 1050. Y is equal to 150.
So, the next part of solving question C is to find the optimum units for porcelain crucible and platinum crucible based on the maximum profit. It is given in the question that porcelain crucible yields a profit of 1 ringgit 50 cent per unit. Meanwhile, platinum crucible yields a profit of 2 ringgit per unit. After solving the equations in the previous part, we have the answer of these from the equations. So, for us to know what is the optimum units for both porcelain and platinum crucible, we need to know their maximum profits first. So, in order to get maximum profits, we need to times the yield with the amount of units of porcelain and platinum. Based on the first one, we got the maximum profit of 2,000 ringgit. The second one, we have the maximum profit of 1,875 ringgit. So, from this, we compare the maximum profits. So, from here, you can see 2,000 is much bigger than 1,875. So, to answer question C, it is the optimum units for crucibles is 800 units of porcelain and 400 units of platinum.